Hello students, welcome to my Raut Rai classes of physics. We will start now rectangular component vector. Rectangle, you know your आयतक्षेत्र साधारण ओडिया रे rectangular component माने खंड vector. Rectangular component you see, this is called to your rectangle. This is called to 90, this is called to 90, this is called to 90, this is called to 90. This is called to your length, breadth. Opposite sides are equal and each angle is equal to 90, that is called to your rectangle. Here rectangular component of a vector. Any force always acts in either in horizontal or in vertical direction. If a vector acts in some angle with the horizontal सहित जदि कौन करिवो some angle रे force act कला, some angle is equal to your theta, you make it your right triangle. You know this is called to A, B, C. Name it. Sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is equal to AC. Or BC is equal to your AC sin theta. So BC, here you see opposite of theta. This is called to your AC sin theta. AC sin theta. That is called to your F sin theta. You see, F is in vertical direction, F sin theta, opposite of theta. Next, cos theta is it. Cos theta. Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, that is called to your AC. You cross multiply, AB is equal to your AC cos theta. AC means is equal to your F cos theta. So base is AB, that is called to your F cos theta. Now we see F is in some angle with the horizontal. Now it is splits into two components. This is called your vertical, your F sin theta, horizontal F cos theta. So you can write F sin theta and F cos theta are rectangular components of force F or vector F. Okay, this is called your rectangular component of a vectors. Next, we will start product of a vector. Product of a vector. First we will start scalar product of a vector. Product you know your multiply. Gudana. A scalar multiplied with a vector. Scalar means any number you take. This is called n. N vector A. This is called to your scalar multiple of a vector. Again it is a vector quantity. Vector quantity. If you in place of n you write your 5 a vector, this is also a vector quantity. This is called to scalar multiple of a vector. Next we will start product of two vectors. Product of two vectors. Two vector, or you can write product of a two vector quantity. It is two types. First one is scalar product. Or you can tell it dot product. What is scalar product or dot product? Dot means is simply you put a dot mark. This is called A vector, this is called B vector. So this is called to dot product into form, product form. This is called your A magnitude, B magnitude cos theta. What is theta? Theta is called the angle between A and B. That is A and B. The angle between two vectors A and B is equal to your theta. So formula is A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. This is equal to magnitude of A, that is A. Magnitude of B, that is equal to B, your cos theta. This is equal to A dot B. You see, A is a scalar, B is a scalar, theta is angle value, so cos theta is also a number. Number, multiply, then you will get a scalar quantity. So A dot B is a scalar quantity. Then it is called your scalar product. Dot means you put here your symbolic, just a point, that is called your dot. So it is called your dot product or scalar product. Okay. So when two vectors multiply it or dot it, the product is your scalar quantity, then it is a scalar product or dot product. Okay. What is geometrical meaning? Geometrical meaning of dot product. Meaning of dot product. Dot product. You see, this is called to your A vector. Angle your theta. This is called to your B vector. You draw a perpendicular line now to make right triangle. So this is called to component vector B cos theta. This is called to B sin theta. Okay, rectangular component. Now A dot B. A dot B we get AB cos theta. You see B cos theta. B cos theta is equal to what? O P Q suppose. So B cos theta is a scalar quantity. So B cos theta is equal to, you can write OP. So what is OP? OP is the component of a B along direction of a A. So you can write A vector into, you can write this is called to projection. Projection of B vector on A or in the direction of A. This is called to projection. Projection means top view. If you see from here, then the shadow of OQ will come to OP. This is called your geometrical meaning of A dot B. A vector into projection of other vector on that vector. Okay, this is called your geometrical meaning. May come in exam. Then come to unit form. Theta is equal to 0 means A parallel to B. Two vectors are parallel, so angle is 0. So A dot B will get AB cos 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1, you know, that is equal to your AB. A dot B. So the angle is 0 means A vector parallel to B vector, then A dot B is equal to AB. Similarly, you see B dot A. B dot A is equal to B vector, A vector, cos, this is equal to in a negative direction. If you take theta is equal to in your positive, B dot A is equal to again minus theta. So this is equal to BA cos theta. So cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. A dot B, this is equal to your positive base, AB cos theta. Theta is equal to in positive direction, meaning clockwise, theta is anti-clockwise. So you see, this is, you can write this is equal to your AB cos theta. So A dot B is equal to AB cos theta, B dot A is equal to AB cos theta. That is equal to A dot B is equal to B dot A. if you reverse it, first A dot B, then exchange it, B dot A, this is called your commutative property. Commutative property. So dot product obeys commutative property, means krama vinmay. You see theta is equal to 0, A dot B is equal to AB cos 0, that is equal to AB. Similarly B dot A in parallel case or in angle is 0, B dot A is equal to GA cos theta. B dot A, that is BA cos theta, that is 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1, BA. So if you write A, B is equal to, you see this A dot B is equal to AB in parallel case, B dot A is equal to BA in parallel case. This is equal to scalar. So this is also you can write AB. So in parallel case, A dot B is equal to AB. If you exchange it, reverse it, B dot A is equal to BA cos 0, that is also BA. So A dot B is equal to BA. जदि तुम एपट सेपट कल रिवर्स करदेल ए को डॉट बी सहित कर बी को डॉट ए सहित कर नो चेंज, दैट इज योर कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. यू कैन रिवर्स इट. ओके, देन कम टू थीटा इज इक्वल टू 90. टू वेक्टर्स आर इन परपेंडिकुलर. थीटा इज इक्वल टू 90. ए वेक्टर परपेंडिकुलर टू बी वेक्टर. You see what is A dot B? A dot B is equal to AB cos 90. Cos 90 you know this is equal to your 0. So AB into 0, that is equal to 0. So when two vectors are perpendicular, the dot product is 0. Similarly you come to your I cap dot J cap. X axis unit vector, Y axis unit vector, angle is x axis y axis is equal to 90, so this is equal to 0. If angle between two vectors is 0, then it is angle is 90 degree. Of if they are perpendicular, then A dot B is equal to 0 or scalar product of two vectors is equal to 0. Similarly you can write J dot I, this is equal to commutative property 0. I J J K, you can write JK. This is called y axis unit vector, z axis unit vector. Y axis, z axis are perpendicular, so this is equal to 0. Again K dot J, if you exchange it, change it, then also perpendicular 0. Similarly you come to your KI, K dot I, this is equal to 0. I K, this is equal to 0. So when theta is equal to 90, two vectors are perpendicular, then dot product is 0. This is very useful in mathematical numericals of dot product. Okay, then come to similar vector. Similar vector, you see A vector dot K vector is equal to A. This is equal to A vector and A vector. This angle is 0. So cos 0 is equal to 1. So A dot A is equal to A square. Cos 0 is equal to 1. So A vector dot A vector is equal to A square in scalar form. Okay. Similarly come to I dot I, x axis unit vector, x axis unit vector. This is called your cos 0. Cos 0 means 1. So I magnitude cos 0. This is equal to unit vector 1. This is equal to unit vector 1. Cos 0 is equal to 1. This is equal to your 1. So I dot I is equal to 1. Similarly you can write J dot J is equal to 1. K dot K, this is equal to 1. This is most useful when two vectors are parallel or similar vector. Then come to theta is equal to 180. This is equal to A vector. You see this is equal to B vector in opposite direction. B vector. So angle is 180. When you write A dot B, this is equal to your AB cos 180. Cos 180 you know is equal to minus 1. This is equal to minus AB. So A dot B is equal to minus AB. This is equal to your in opposite direction. So two vectors when are in opposite direction, angle is 180 and A dot B is equal to negative of magnitude of A and magnitude of B. Okay. This is equal to your dot product of two vectors. Then come to your cross product. Cross product of two vectors. Cross product of two vectors, or you can write this is called to your what? Vector product. Vector product. What is vector product or cross product? You see, cross means like this. This is called your cross. Chakki. Gunan chinha. A cross B. Since it is your cross sign, it is called your cross product. How it is a vector product? You see, A magnitude, B magnitude, sin theta and n cap. What is n cap? N cap is the unit vector along direction of A cross B. You see, this is called to your A vector, this is called to your B vector, angle is theta. Okay, now you right hand screw rule. Screw rule A to B. पेचकस तुम जान पेचकस बर्तमान पेचटा को मु टाइट करी कौटू जी A to B, A cross B, then it will be forward, inward. Inward means this is called you take inward. Inward means n cap, unity vector, and this is called your A cross B. A cross B. So it will give your direction. Direction means your vector quantity, that is called unity vector. N cap is the unity vector. You can write n cap is equal to unity vector along A cross B. Okay. So that is why it is called your vector product. A, B, sin theta, n cap. This is called your scalar. This is called your vector. So scalar multiplication of a vector is a vector quantity. So it is called your vector product. And the sign is cross multiplication. तुम्हारा जो multiply गुणन चिन्ह पूछो. A गुणन B, not गुणन. This is called to not your multiply. This you read it as cross. A cross B. That is why it is cross product or vector product. Okay. You see, A cross B is equal to AB sin theta n cap. B cross A, you take B cross A. This is equal to B A sin theta. Sin theta. This is equal to minus n cap. You see, if you take a right hand screw A to B, it will be downward or inward. If you anticlockwise, you rotate anticlockwise B to A, then the screw will be away, open, that is called your n cap. This is called your open means your minus n cap. You see, this is called minus B A sin theta n cap. This you can write minus A B sin theta n cap. You see, A B sin theta n cap, this is called your A cross B. Here A cross B you write, this is called minus A cross B. And left side is called your B cross A. So B cross A is equal to minus A cross B. If you exchange A cross B to B cross A, then this is called your minus. So you finally you can write A cross B. If you exchange it, reverse the vector B cross A, it will be take negative side B cross A. So it cannot be reversed. It is not commutative, you can write. Okay. Also, you see, write not commutative. Not commutative. Comma minimum K cross product. So cross product is not commutative, but dot product is commutative. That is scalar product is commutative. Cross product or vector product is not commutative. Comma minimum Then come to your take theta is equal to 0. That is A vector parallel to B vector. So A cross B what is A cross B? C is equal to AB sin theta sin 0. You put in place of theta, you put 0. N cap. This is called your sin 0 is equal to 0. So AB 0 N cap. This is called your 0. This is called to N cap. This is a vector. So you write this is equal to 0 vector or null vector you can write. The magnitude is 0 is called null vector. Okay. So you see A cross B is equal to null vector or 0 vector in case of two vectors are parallel. That is theta is equal to 0. Okay. Similarly, come to your 90. Theta is equal to 90 degree. That is A vector perpendicular to B vector. Perpendicular, you write perpendicular. Or you can write normal. Or you can write orthogonal. The name is same. Orthogonal. Orthogonal. Orthogonal means angle is 90 degree perpendicular. Normal means angle is 90 perpendicular and perpendicular is perpendicular. So theta equal to 90 A perpendicular to B. So you see what happens to A cross B. A cross B is equal to AB sin 90 N cap. Sin 90 you know 1. That is called your AB N cap. This is called your A cross B. This is a scalar. Multiply with vector. Again it is a vector quantity. So it is a cross product or vector product. Okay. You come to similar vector. Next, come to similar vector. Similar vector. Similar vector. Suppose this is equal to A cross A. This is equal to similar vector or equal vector. This is equal to your A magnitude. B magnitude means A magnitude sin 0. N cap. This is equal to your A sin 0 is equal to 0. N cap. This is equal to scalar. 0 into A that is equal to 0. 0 into N cap. This is equal to your 0 vector. So A cross A is equal to your 0. Okay. Magnitude is 0. Vector is equal to 0 vector. That is called your null vector also. I dot I is equal to 1. I cross I is equal to 0. J cross J is equal to 0. K cross K is equal to 0. So you see I dot I is equal to 1, or you can write here I dot I is equal to 1, but I cross I is equal to 0. Similarly, J cross J is equal to 0, but J dot J is equal to 1. Similarly, K cross K is equal to 0, K dot K is equal to 1. This is the property of a dot product and a cross product. Okay. Next video रे हमें रेस्ट एप्लिकेशन न्यूमेरिकल सारा डिस्कशन करिबा. ठीक अछि. थैंक यू।